I absolutely love this chafing dish set. We have a typical horizontal one that is nowhere near as nice as these. So you have multiple components. Obviously you have your stand. Then it came with this cool container for the fuel. Of course, you can easily adjust it or close it completely to put out the flame. Love that. You've got two bowl sets. Obviously, you've got one here, which is typically for your water, and you've got your bowl here for the food. Cool thing is you can actually put ice in here and keep things cool as well. So not just for heat. Then you've got the lid stands and very sturdy, large lids. This is just really fantastic for presentation, but also practical use.
It came in 2 boxes. The outside box is a little bit banged up, but overall, packaged very well. Yeah, taped up so the chrome or whatever it is doesn't get scratched up. The bowls are a decent size, pretty deep. So yeah, I'm not using these until my son's birthday party. I'm not gonna put them up yet. But and then they come with the tops. Pretty happy with it. So this is what I got. Oh, they cover this really well. Look at that. It is a with bubble wrap because it's a glass, so it won't damage. It's really nice. All of these are wrapped single. I'm not going to put it together yet because I don't need it until maybe next month. But yeah, it is. It's really nice.
I was basting a 13-ounce sirloin.
And it's not stinky.